Hi, welcome back to another episode of For Hero to Go. Today we're doing ours to go, and it is the Blizzard. Special Blizzard today is off the fall menu, and let's bring up the description here so we have a better look at what we got. This is the new Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard. That's what it looks like. So, the description right here says there's a lot of love that goes into making homemade cookies, and there's a whole lot of love packed into the Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard treat. After all, it's the most important ingredient. Not much can bring a family together during the holidays like making homemade cookies. From making the dough from scratch to decorating with frosting to taking the first bite of a finished cookie, love is baked into the whole process. It's no different when we make our Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard treat for you and everyone in our DQ family. We put the same care when we add icing and our soft sugar cookie pieces with sprinkles and blend it all together with our world famous vanilla soft serve Blizzard treat perfection. And of course, we never forget to add a heaping scoop of love. That's the best part, along with the cookie with sprinkles and the frosting and the DQ soft serve. It's so hard to choose. So I'm gonna get a little bit of a close-up here with my close-up camera action. I put it in the freezer a little bit, and you can see the sprinkles there. There's sprinkles, but we're gonna dive in and see what those cookie pieces are about. I like it when it's more hard like this because I feel just more enjoyable, in my opinion. And I gotta get that spoon out. I got it, it's coming. There we go. Perfect. Sprinkles in the ice cream, eh? So this costed me $6.09 for a medium Blizzard. Tastes like just a lot of vanilla with a little bit of that. You see those sprinkles there for sure, but I don't know how much taste I'm getting from them. I have the cookie pieces right here. They're not the biggest, but they're there. You can kind of see it. Yeah. They're soft. They have a nice texture to them. They definitely have that sugar. They're pieces of sugar cookie. They really are. That's nice. They're nice and moist still and soft, the pieces. They're really good. So that one, I'm gonna give it a 7 on the taste. It's good, but it's not phenomenal. It's I would say it's average among the Blizzards, just in general in the lineup. I think it might be probably on the lower end of the good. There's a lot of new Blizzards in the fall lineup, so this probably wouldn't be among the top. So we'll keep going through the list, see what they're like. I believe I gave the one that I tried last time a higher rating than this one. So yeah, overall pretty good on that, but average. Same with the value, 609. It's average. Dairy Queen, for a treat like this, it's not too bad. It's acceptable paying something like this. 609. You're gonna get a 7 in the books there too on the value scale. So not too bad, guys. If you want to go out, if you like sugar cookies, if you like that type of sweetness, it's not like a crazy sweet Blizzard treat. It's really not, but it's good enough, especially if you like vanilla. Something kind of simpler as well. And it's kind of cool with the sprinkles. I kind of get those birthday cake vibes from it. But it's nice. Give it a try, guys. We gave it a try on this episode today of For Hero to Go. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope everyone has a great day today, and likes, subscribes, shares, and we'll see you around on the next video. Take it easy, guys.